My name is Erica, and today I'm here to share very important information about Ocuprime that you need to know if you are going to buy this product. More before I want to warn you about scams that are happening if you do not purchase on the official site. So to help you, I left here below in the description of the video the official website link, so you do not run the risk of buying counterfeit product. Ocuprime is a 100% natural supplement that has demonstrated great effectiveness for those who wish to take care of their vision. Does Ocuprime really work? Yes, many people are seeing great results with Ocuprime and improving their quality of life in a simple and healthy way. Ocuprime's formula is carefully designed to repair even the most damaged eyes and dramatically improve vision in a short time. It is efficient and effective at restoring 20/20 vision and protecting the eyes from other problems caused by aging and free radicals. According to the official Ocuprime website, it is currently the #1 eye formula on the market. Ocuprime Vision Support Formula was created by Dan Trout, which aims to provide an effective, safe, and affordable solution for blurred vision, dry eyes, and other eye problems. Ocuprime was formulated with a proprietary blend of 24 powerful ingredients that are carefully sourced from nature's best and cleanest places for you to make the most of. The formula was made specifically for those who suffer from eye problems and need to improve their vision naturally without spending thousands of dollars on expensive treatments and medications. How quickly does Ocuprime work? The manufacturer today attests that you may indeed get results in the first month, but you will see much more results after the third month, so you need to make use of the product every day. There is no point in you taking the treatment incorrectly. The best results come when you take it consistently for 3 to 6 months. So it is strongly recommended to do the full treatment of 3 or 6 bottles. And it can be used by women or men who want more quality of life. It is indicated for people who are between 30 to 70 years old. It is manufactured in an FDA-registered facility with absolutely no animal testing involved. And it follows the latest GMP guidelines and procedures. Ocuprime has stood out in the market because it has proven effective for the vast majority of people who take it. Really fantastic. But it is very important you know that you have to test this product to see if it will work for you, because every body works differently. If your experience is not 100% satisfactory, you can ask for a refund within 60 days of purchase. The nice thing is that your order arrives directly at your home in a period of 5 to 7 business days. It's very fast delivery. So that's it, friends. This is my review about Ocuprime. I hope it helped you. Remembering that the official website is here in the description. Thanks. Bye.